What's going on, everybody? Funky Cyclists here. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for joining me today. Today we're at the Withlacoochee Trail in Hernando County. It's a nice nature trail. Excited to check this one out. See you guys in a little bit. Today we're joining the trail from Liberty Park in Inverness, Florida. The park offers waterfront views of Henderson Lake. It's conveniently located within walking distance of downtown Inverness and has direct access to the Withlacoochee State Trail. At 47 miles long, this trail is one of Florida's longest paved rail trails. It offers an amazing experience for everyone, not only cyclists, but walkers, runners, and nature lovers. So what makes this trail so special? Like many of the best trails in the state, this one is a rail-to-trail conversion. Being a former railway line, it's an incredibly flat, tree-lined passage, making it accessible for all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist looking for a long-distance ride or a family looking for a nice view, this trail has it all. The trail traverses 6 distinct natural communities from upland mixed forest to sandhill and wetland areas. This diverse habitat means a rich variety of plants and animal life. Along the way, you might encounter gopher tortoises, river otters, deer, and a large variety of bird species. The trail is well maintained with numerous access points and amenities. You'll find restrooms, picnic areas, and even water bottle filling stations at various trailheads. One of the highlights of the trail is its connection to the quaint city of Inverness. As you roll into the city, you'll immediately be greeted by a small town charm with a real sense of history. Here you'll find the historic Inverness Depot, built way back in 1892. There are also plenty of amenities here as well, including restrooms and picnic areas. And if you need a longer break, Inverness includes fantastic local restaurants, coffee shops, and even bike shops for last minute needs or repairs. Just a short distance from the Inverness Depot, we have the real highlight of the trail, the Lake Henderson Trestle. The trestle offers panoramic views of stunning Henderson Lake. From here you can see the water, the Florida landscape, and if you're lucky, maybe even some wildlife. This trail is great for all skill levels. The flat terrain is shaded in many areas. You're guaranteed to have a good time whether it's with your cycling crew or family. This is a very safe trail with marked intersections. Here you'll find a local community that's very aware and cycling friendly. So whether you're cycling, taking a stroll, or running, this trail has something for everyone. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing rides on the way. See you all soon. Be safe and take care.